Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can premiere a video on your YouTube channel. So really simply, you need to log into your YouTube account. So over here I'm going to click on this and I'm going to go to YouTube Studio. Now once you're on your channel, in the top right hand corner where it says here create, you're going to select that. You're going to click on upload a video, and then we're going to either drag and drop a video to this section, or you're going to press it by selecting file. So I'm going to do that for you now. Okay, so once this pops up here, then obviously you can enter all of your details such as your title, description. You can select your thumbnail. Once you've set all of that information, on the bottom right hand corner you're going to click on next. That you can monetize the video if you are eligible for monetization, of course. We're going to go currently off for the moment. Click next. Then we're going to click next again, and then next. Now here where it says publicize your video, so we can either go private, public. Now from here, if you go to public, there's two ways about this. You can set this as an instant premiere. Otherwise, if you want to build anticipation for the video at a future date, you can go down to here where it says schedule, and then you can set as premiere, and then you can set up the premiere details. So obviously you can select the date you want that premiere to run. So let's say it's the 19th. We're going to click on set up premiere, and there's obviously a few different options here that you can go through. Premiere Classic, Ambient, Calm, etc. And then you've got the countdown timer, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute, etc. You can add a trailer, you can also redirect. Then you can click save in the bottom right hand corner, and then that's how you set up your premiere on YouTube. If you found this helpful, make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.